Welcome to the Homeowner's Guide to AC Repair, brought to you by Mallard Heating and Cooling, your local air conditioning experts in Spanish Fort and across Baldwin County. Is your AC running but not cooling your home in Spanish Fort, Alabama? Follow this step-by-step process. First, check your thermostat and make sure it's set to cool and below the current room temperature. Next, check your air filter. If it's clogged, airflow drops fast, and so does your cooling. Next, head outside and inspect your unit. Leaves, dirt, or debris can choke off performance. Lastly, check your breaker to ensure your system is getting power. If all that looks good and your AC still isn't cooling, it's time to call a professional. Catching problems early can mean the difference between a quick fix or a costly repair. Mallard Air is proud to be voted Best of Alabama, featured in the Ductless directory, recognized as a Ductless All-Star, and featured in USA Today for their excellence in air conditioning repair. Based in Spanish Fort, they serve Daphne, Fairhope, and all of Baldwin County. Get a free evaluation of your AC system. Call 251-225-4035 today or visit callmallardair.com.